Cruising to the lab with my template. Heat it up to 95 and into 2 it'll break. Then we'll bring it down all cool and icy so the primer grabs onto the target nicely. Next we turn up the heat a tad so the segment is amplified by our friend Tack. What are we doing? You might say, well, we're all about making that DNA! The girls in the lab are doing PCR to amplify a DNA segment. It ain't hard, we keep thermal cycling and we can't quit. It doubles every cycle and we need every bit.
What up, PCR? You'll only need a few things, so don't get sloppy. First, the DNA template you want to copy. Then the primers that start the PCR reaction. And some dNTPs will be in on the action. Tap polymerase to add a new base. And a buffer so the reaction starts in a good place. Once you have all these items in your cart, you've got everything you need, and it's time to start!
The girls in the lab are doing PCR to amplify a DNA segment. It ain't hard from crime scenes to gene testing. It does it all as long as you follow the right protocol. The first step up is denaturation. We'll give you a little more elaboration. We want the double strand to be separated, so we raise the heat until the H bonds are abated. Next things next, we are annealing, where the primers find our target sequence quite appealing. The primers only attach once the temperature's dropped. For each strand, one primer ends up on top. Last step up is the elongation, where Tack polymerase begins the creation. It binds to each PCR primer and then adds nucleotides from end to end. But we're not done with the process quite yet. There's one important thing you can't forget. To make millions of copies, we need to do it more times so we can start saving babies and solving crimes.
The girls in the lab are doing PCR to amplify a DNA segment. It ain't hard.
It's the most powerful tool we biochemists have
when we do our research inside of the lab. The girls in the lab are doing PCR to amplify a DNA segment. It ain't hard.
It's the most powerful tool we biochemists have
when we do our research inside of the lab. The girls in the lab are doing